Here is an always armed 9mm upper. Haven't seen any reviews on these yet, so thought I'd come out here and shoot it and see how it works. The build is pretty good. Got the magazine adapter for my lower that takes the Colt magazines. And I've noticed, I've shot this once before, I did get a few jams, but I've noticed the more I shoot it, the less it does that and the smoother it gets. So just load this up and see how she does. Locks open just like that. Works pretty good. This is a Palmetto State multi-lower Magpul and 9mm.